Vermin alert. All hands on deck. By Anna von Reitz. You have all either seen or heard about, probably, Ammon Bundy and the way the rats have continued to harass Ammon Bundy as they promote their attempts to steal his home and land. You have seen these two short video clips and witnessed how the vermin set someone up and then attack under false pretenses and color of law, using your money and misusing your purloined authority and even your airwaves to do it. It's time for the silent majority to speak. Now the foreign state-of-state attorneys have gone to the self-interested state-of-state Supreme Court and filed motions to compel the Gem County Sheriff to, in the words of mouth of evil media propagandists, do his duty and serve papers on Bundy. The county sheriff doesn't want to do it and begged off, claiming that he was afraid of a confrontation between his deputies, FBI scum, and Bundy as his excuse. Sheriff Wonder needs to know that the state-of-state Supreme Court is self-serving and can't define what his duty is and also can't compel him to do anything. They are acting in a separate and foreign jurisdiction. The controlling case law is at the United States Supreme Court level and it was established in Mack and Prinz v. USA, Inc. Sheriffs get to follow their conscience and use their own discretion when to afford people their constitutional guarantees and when not to. There isn't anything that the franchise state-of-state Supreme Court can do about that, as it has already been decided, for them and for Sheriff Wonder, too. Please, everyone who has any contact with the Bundys or the Sheriff of Gem County, get this message through and place a motion to stop interference with the county peacekeeping authority before the state-of-state Supreme Court, and cite Mack and Prinz v. USA, Inc. referencing the state-of-state and county of case, and file a district court complaint against Gem County and Gem County, in tandem, making sure to send a copy to the United States Secretary of State, the state-of-state Secretary of State, and the Provost Marshal. Tell them that Ammon Bundy, a non-citizen, non-combatant American civilian, is being harassed and targeted and defamed by self-interested foreign commercial corporations intent on illegally confiscating his land and soil. In order to protect our rights and the rights of all living Americans, Sheriff Wonder has to protect his right to discern and apply his own judgment. If the FBI comes after Ammon, we are already on their backs and the backs of DOD, INC. And the so-called United States of America Corporation, too, the parent corporation of the whole nest of vermin. They are all for hire foreign mercenaries on our soil, operating secretly, with no right or authority to even be here. No wonder they lawlessly bully people and confiscate people's property under color of law. They are all criminals engaged in white-collar international crime, proven and on the record. We are moving to liquidate these criminal corporations before they can cause any more confusion, spread any more lies, or cost any more lives. Stand firm, America, and raise your voice. And if you can, send prayers and money to help put wings under the effort to liquidate these corporations and return control to the national government we are owed. God bless the ranchers and farmers and all decent Americans. Anna Maria Riesinger, Fiduciary, the United States of America, in care of Box 520994. Big Lake, Alaska 99652.